Hello everyone, this is Brandon Garrett from Snow Garrett Wealth Management with our educational economic update for May 2017. In this month's video, we'll talk about some of the major headlines that influence markets in April and about a few first quarter reports. We hope this information offers insight into what these developments might mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end of this video for a required disclosure statement. Data for consumer spending, which accounts for more than 2/3 of U.S. economic activity, was included in the first quarter gross domestic product report that was released April 30th. It showed consumer spending increasing at a 0.3% annual rate, which is the slowest pace since the fourth quarter of 2009. The economy grew at a 0.7% rate in the first quarter, which is its worst performance in 3 years. The Personal Consumption Expenditures, or PCE price index, excluding food and energy, slipped 0.1%, the first and largest drop since September 2001, after increasing 0.2% in February. In the 12 months through March, the core PCE price index increased 1.6%, which was the smallest gain since July 2016, after advancing 1.8% this past February. It's important to note that the three major indexes posted a monthly advance for April of about 1%. The S&P and the Dow posted their fifth positive month in 6, while the NASDAQ recorded its sixth straight monthly gain. Most of those gains came the last week of April when stocks posted rapid rallies as corporate earnings season kept revealing strong performances from top global companies. Speaking of earnings season, which are those months in a year when most quarterly corporate earnings are released to the public, this one has been strong so far, with Apple, Facebook, Tesla, and BP all reporting. More than 75% of companies were surpassing profit estimates, and about 70% were beating sales forecasts at the end of April. Experts say that the number of companies topping profit and sales estimates this first quarter was above the 5-year average. You may be wondering how quarterly corporate earnings are strong while our economy expanded in the first quarter of this year at its slowest pace since 2014. Robust global growth is making up for the lack of domestic activity. Analysis shows the more business a U.S. company does overseas, the better its results. About 46% of S&P 500 sales overall come from foreign markets. S&P companies that earn more than half the revenue overseas are seeing earnings growth that is twice the rate of companies that do mostly domestic business. In the coming month, we are expecting more key economic data to be released, including the U.S. jobs report. Additionally, the Federal Reserve's Policymaking Committee will meet early May, and it's expected that it will hold rates steady. And while lawmakers reached an agreement April 30th to keep the government funded until the end of September, the full House and Senate must still approve the bipartisan pact sometime in May. That's it for this month's educational update. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 817-550-6750. We're happy to talk to you.